Okay, so now for our next topic, let us discuss the division of two rational numbers. Okay, so is division of two rational numbers always a rational number? It is not, because usually it is, but if it's a non-zero number, then division of two rational numbers will give you a rational number. But if it is a zero, division by zero is not defined. You can't divide by zero, so division by zero is not defined. So if my number is zero, so I can't divide this number. I can't take the reciprocal of this number. So the reciprocal of this number is not a rational number. So in that case, yes, if one of the numbers, if I have 2 divided by 0, okay, so 2 divided by 0 is not a rational number. This number is undefined. You cannot divide. So division of two rational numbers is not always a rational number. Usually it is. Okay, but if it is 0, other than 0, any other numbers, yes, division of two rational numbers will give you a rational number. So as such, but for only this particular case, when it is 0, because you cannot divide anything by 0. Okay, so it does not satisfy the closure property. Okay, only for the problem of 0, otherwise it was satisfying. For all the others, it was closed. Division of two rational numbers was giving a rational number. Okay, is it commutative? No. A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So it is not commutative. It is not commutative. Okay, A divided by B and B divided by A is not equal. Obviously 2 by 3 and 3 by 2 are not equal. So it's not commutative. It is not associative also. You cannot divide anyone first. Okay, they are different. So if you have A divided by B divided by C, it will not be equal to A divided by B divided by C. No, it is not associative. It's not commutative, no closure, no associative. Okay, none of these are satisfied. Okay, let us see what the exercise over here is. These are simple exercises. Okay, you all will do it yourself only. I'll just go through it. Let us see what is here. Find the value of the following. If you have to divide, nothing for me to do. You know how to do a divide, isn't it? Just multiply by the reciprocal. Okay, there is nothing for me to teach over here. State whether the following statements are true or false. This divided by this is a rational number. It is true, isn't it? Because none of them are 0, so no problem. If I divide any other rational numbers, it will give me a rational number. So this is true. This divided by this is equal to this divided by this. No, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So this is not correct. This is associative property is also, this is also false. Okay, A divided by this, I cannot change. Okay, so associative property is also not satisfied. So this is not true. Okay, A divided by B is not equal to B divided by A. So this statement is true because the sign is not equal to. So this statement is true. Okay, similarly you can check for the others. Here also not equal to, so this is correct. Fine. This divided by this is not a rational number. This statement is false. It is a rational number, isn't it? A divided by, only problem will be if one of them is, if this number is 0. Otherwise no problem. Okay, so done. What is there? Okay, you can just do the division. Okay, divide the sum of this and this by their difference. These things you can do. By what rational number should this be divided? I can give these to you as classwork. You can try yourself. Okay, nothing much for me to teach over here. What to teach over here? To get the product. Okay, you will be doing it yourself. I'll be giving as classwork now. Let me see if we can do the next exercise now.